Hello, little explorers! Today we are going on a delicious adventure around the world. Can you guess what we are going to discover?
Vegetables!
That's right! We are going to see vegetables from different places around our wonderful world. Are you ready? Yes! Let's go!
Carrot. Carrots are grown underground. They are crunchy. Potato. Potatoes are grown underground on the roots. Corn. Corns are grown on tall corn stalk. They are yummy and crunchy. Tomato. Tomatoes are grown on plant above the soil. They are sweet and tangy. Onion. Onions are mostly grown underground. Garlic. Green leaves of garlic are grown above the soil, but the garlic bulb develops underground. Ginger. Ginger green leaves are grown above the soil, but the ginger is hidden under the ground. Chili. Chilies are grown on the plant. They are spicy.
Vegetables come in different shapes, sizes, colors, and varieties. Which vegetable was your favorite? Wonderful! Remember, little explorers?
Eat your veggies and keep exploring the world!
Bye-bye, little vegetable explorers! See you on our next adventure!